Hi guys, I'm Roxy Wren, and today I'll be reviewing Repulic eyelash extensions. I did them myself. I don't really like a lot, so I just did about 50 per eye, 50 to 65 per eye. So they come in a little bundle, and you kind of have to shake them out individually. So I kind of just put them in a little pile on my palette, and I'm ready to go. See how it's just super easy. You just grab a few, put them down. And I like the super long one, so I was digging. There are two different sizes in the bundle. Next, you're gonna get a palette. That's my acrylic heart palette from Paw Palettes. Love them. And I'm using also Repulic glue. It's really great. It has no smell whatsoever, and it dries in 2 seconds. That is right, 2 seconds. And it's really light. I hardly noticed it on my lashes at all. And you just need a couple drops. Next, you're gonna want some really fine tweezers. They have to be pointed so you can grab the hairs, and as you can see, like the hairs are so fine and light, you barely need them. Now you take it and you're gonna put it in the glue ever so lightly. What you want is a small ball on the very end of the lash, and not too much. As you can see, when I first do it, that's just a little too much. You don't want to really see it, you just want to finely coat it with glue. See? Much better. Now you're gonna place it on one lash. My lashes, I don't have that many because I tend to pull them out. It's a horrible habit, I know. So I don't really have to do the whole separating and such of the lashes. So then you're gonna put it under. You're gonna find one lash, you're gonna touch it lightly with the glue, and then when you go back to touch it again, it'll just stick and move onto the lash, which is so cool. It's so easy. And here I'm just doing it again one more time. Getting a little dot, putting it on the lash, and just bloop. And see, it dries in 2 seconds. And then there's another one for you. See, there you go. And I'm sorry it can't, it's really, they're so fine and light and beautiful. It's really hard to see them, but I am placing them, as you can see. They kind of just disappear into my lashes. And there you have it. 2 full light sets of extensions. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you give it a try. I'm going to include a discount code in the bottom. Please make sure to look out for that on Amazon. Again, it is Repulic eyelash extensions. I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to show you what else I do with them later on. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Subscribe, like, share. Subscribe, like, share. Woo woo.